Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video. It's been a couple weeks, I know. So in this video today, I'm going to talk to you about my experience with the Cooler Master RMA process, okay? So I put in the RMA, as you all know, I had issues with the ear cup. The screw was backing out, the speaker cord was pulling away. So I put in an RMA. It was an easy process. You just register with the website, CM Zone, Cooler Master Zone, Fan Zone or something like that. So I registered there, I put in the RMA, and then I took a couple days to ship it. That's my fault, but I'm not worried about it. So about a week later, I did get a email saying they received it. So it took another week or so, and then they replied with, we have your RMA in, and we're gonna not have stock in. So I emailed them with a ticket. So they replied with the option of selecting two different new headphones. So they offered me the Cooler Master 630 or the 650. Now, I reviewed a couple of them, like just online. I researched, I'd watched some videos on what people thought of them, their new models. And I decided to not take them. So I have to wait until October to get my headphones in. But it was great that they offered that. I don't normally get that kind of exchange, when I'm sending in something for an RMA. Some companies will tell you they'll give you a different model, a newer model, or an upgrade or something like that, and you pay the difference. But I've never had them just say, hey, yeah, we'll just swap you out if you're not willing to wait. But I did want the studio quality. So the 40 millimeter drivers are from the Takstar, I believe, Takstar 80s or something like that. And what they are is they're mainly studio, like audio headphones, not for gaming, but Cooler Masters have rebranded them as their gaming headset with a mod mic. Now the 630s and the 650s use the same exact mod mic, but the 50 millimeter drivers are more geared towards spatial orientation and like listening to what's coming in, like to your zone if you're in a game or something like that. So I decided not to. I'm just gonna wait. I'll use the little cheap earbuds I got. I had like some skull candies or something like that. So all in all, it didn't really take long. They responded as soon as my package got there and let me know they got them. And then it took them a week to say, we just don't have them yet. So I did request, if they have any other options, and that's what they offered me. So hold up. I just got a response from Cooler Master. They sent me an email after I didn't decide to take the other ones, the MH630s and 650s, and they did offer a replacement with the MH752s. The only difference between the 751s and the 752s is that one has the 7.1 surround simulated with a USB plug. So I chose it, and if they charge me up for it, that's fine too. If not, that's even better, because that shows that they care about their customers, and I really appreciate that. Because mine weren't coming in, the 751s. I don't know when they're going to get them in, honestly, but I accepted gladly because it's the same headset. So good on Cooler Master. All right, go back to the past. Y'all have fun out there. Oh, by the way, vote. It was a pretty good experience overall. So, I mean, I like Cooler Master myself. I have one of their cases. I don't have a build in it because my cooler and my CPU setup won't fit in there. That's my fault. Didn't have SFX power supply and all that. But, the headphones I liked a lot. The only issue was the screw. So I just wanted to give y'all an update on the RMA process. It was pretty simple. It wasn't hard to do. You just had to submit a receipt, and there's a 2-year warranty. So even the new headphones come with a 2-year warranty too. So a lot of people say they're really good for using them in games and stuff like that. But I don't need just that because, like we do videos. So I have to edit the audio and make sure everything sounds right. And if I add music in, I want it to sound right too. So that's just, my experience with the Cooler Master RMA process. And if you're not subscribed yet, I really appreciate you subscribing. Hit the bell for the notifications when we post more videos. I'll be doing more because I haven't been streaming as much. It's just waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning with kids and buses, and it just doesn't work. So we'll do some more videos. Yeah, I appreciate you stopping in. And I know there's over 90% of y'all who aren't subscribed. So you should. Join the Discord, the link's down in the description below. We have some merch. I'm wearing a shirt. That's one of them. It's one of the shirts. I don't know if this one's actually on the store or not. There are some that have this logo, and then I have my, my coffee mug that I use regularly. It's the Monday Mood coffee mug. Yeah, if you want to get some merch, the link's down there as well. Just support the channel. And then join the Discord, because that's where we're going to be doing future giveaways. No more on the channel or anything like that. We're going to keep it to, just regular content. Not too much gaming either. Software and tech. So peace out. Much love. Much respect. I will see y'all in the next video. Go ahead and click one of these other videos on the screen. Maybe find something else you like to watch. And if you have a specific type of content that you appreciate the most on the channel, leave a comment below. I'm always here to answer any questions if you have any questions about anything I've posted or any video I've made. So, later.